All right. Good evening, everyone. Yeah, let's get started. Today is the last class of. Oh, sorry. Today is the last day of this class, and I'm so excited. First of all, I want to thank every one of you. Thank you guys so much for sticking to the end of this class. I mean, the success of this class is dependent on maybe you guys show up or not. So I'm very grateful. So today I'm just going to run very fast through what we have to do. We're almost done actually. So I'm just going to show you how you can actually build very beautiful websites, and I'm going to wish you guys good luck. All right, and I should give special congratulations to some of you guys that you've taken action as regards the advanced course yesterday. Some of you have secured some slots, and in fact, as at now, as I'm telling you, it's only very few slots that is left. Only 10 slots is there. Only 10 slots is available, and let me tell you, people have taken some of those slots. So if you are still skeptical about taking it, well, I don't know what else I can say. I cannot help you. Okay, but then let's get right on with the business of today. So of course we are going to go ahead and start our XAMPP. Every time you want to work on localhost, you have to start your XAMPP. I already have my XAMPP pinned to the taskbar here. So when I click on it, it will just pop up right here, and I can click on start on Apache and start on MySQL. All right. Okay. All right. So of course I'm going to go ahead and open my browser. Remember, I'm using Firefox. I'm going to go ahead and open Firefox. I'm using Firefox for this class, so I will open Firefox. Remember, the first thing I did was to start Apache and start MySQL. It's not going to work if you don't start these things. Immediately after you have that done, then go ahead and load up your localhost website. Mine is localhost. Do localhost / your website's name. The one I'm creating right now is unique fashion / WP admin. This will give you access to your back panel, to your administrative panel. Go ahead and click on enter. All right, let's get this over with. All right, let's go ahead and click on enter. Of course, it's going to take a while to load up. You guys know this now, so just give it a while to load up. Now, I told you yesterday that I'm going to show you the way you are going to build very beautiful and very advanced websites, and that is what we're going to do today. And I want you to practice on your own, and send a screenshot of whatever it is you have done. Send it to the group. All right, and before this thing loads up, I think I should crave your indulgence. I really hope you guys have gotten value from this free class. I really hope this class has changed your orientation and opened your eyes to a lot of beautiful things that can happen. I would want you to return the favor, because I would like you to make a selfie video. Just make a selfie video of yourself and tell people of your experience with Nova University over these last 4 days, and mention the fact that it is free. And I want you to mention something. Mention the name Big Sam. Mention Olubayo Samuel. And I also want you to mention Nova University. Thank Nova University, thank Big Sam, and thank Olubayo Samuel. Do you understand? Because these videos are going to be compiled together, and we are going to reach out to sponsors so that they can further sponsor this class, so that I can keep giving discounted price for the advanced class. The discounts that you guys are enjoying right now was what some people facilitated. Some people like you, they made selfie videos, they facilitated it, and we reached out to Union Bank, and Union Bank sponsored this. So I really hope you guys will. I hope I'm not asking too much. I hope I'm not asking too much. Thank you guys very much. So let's continue with today's class. This is where we stopped. Right, so we need to install a new plugin. This plugin will enable us to create very beautiful websites. So just go ahead. It's a page builder actually. Go ahead and over plugin, click on plugin, All right, after you click on plugin, you're going to be here. These are the plugins that you have installed. Now just go ahead and click on add new. See, add new here. See, add new. Click on add new. And after you click on add new, go over here. And remember, before you can have this page, you have to be connected to the internet, so that it will download this from the internet. So go ahead and search for something called Elementor. Elementor, Elementor. So Elementor is a page builder, a very powerful page builder, one of the best page builders ever. It has more than 5 million active installs. People are really using it. So just go ahead and click on install. All right, just go ahead and click on install, and this will change the game for us, guys. This really change the game for us. While it is still installing, it might take a while, of course, normal thing. Just just let it do its thing. It will take a while. So while that is installing, let's see, let me show you how our website looks like now. Let's visit site. Okay, stay on page. Let's visit site in another tab, and let's see how our website looks like now. Check it out. Okay, this is how it looks like now. It is completely blank, actually. That is because we have chosen it to be blank. Remember now, we did that last class. And I'm also going to send the link to I'm going to be sending the link to the recorded version of this class. I will be sending it to the group so that you guys can go ahead and revisit it and practice on your own, make references and all that stuff. And if you have purchased the advanced class, and you don't have any issue because everything is there. Do you understand? And also how to really work on an online domain, www.yourwebsite.com, so that everybody will see it. Everything has been included, step-by-step guide. And also, I'm always here to help you. If you need any help, just send me a mail and I will see to it, or just send me a DM, leave a DM for me, and I'm going to help you out. All right. So it has already been installed. Of course, just click on activate. Then after it has been activated, it's still activating. After it has been activated, this will actually change everything for us. Of course, it will take you to a welcome page. Blah blah blah. We don't care about this welcome page. Of course, you can watch their video, but I'm not watching anything. Just come over here, come to pages, and something new will jump right in your face right now. Something that was not there before. Check this out. This is our home page, and it is the front page. Remember, we set it as front page. If you don't remember, we set this as front page. I hope I will be able to. Okay, you can come to settings. I just want to show you how to set something as front page. You can come to settings, come to I think readings, come to readings, and yes, home page. Where do you want to be displayed as home page? So we selected a static page, and then we chose home page to be home. Do you understand? That was how we did it. And then we clicked on save changes in case you need to do that. So yeah, let me go back to pages. Click on pages. Then after you've gotten to the pages, then home page, click on edit. Exactly, and something new will be here right now. Exactly. Do you guys notice anything new? Do you? Check this out. This button was not there before. Edit with Elementor. This button was not there before. So just click on edit with Elementor. Immediately you click on edit with Elementor, it will load the Elementor platform for you. Yours might be a light theme, of course, but mine is a dark theme. I always like dark theme, so it's already giving me the dark theme automatically. Yeah, so this is the Elementor page builder platform. You can build amazing pages here. Let me show you how to use this. See this plus button here, this brick red or purple or whatever color this is. Click on it. You will have several sections. You can select the structure of what you want that section to look like. If you click on this,
this is kind of like a single section. See this this section that is wrapped in light blue lines, exactly. Okay, let me bring it back. Exactly, that is a section. I can go ahead and click this. See, when you want to go back to these are elements, building blocks. These are elements you can use to make your website beautiful. We have a lot of them here that you can use to make your website beautiful, right? Let's go back here, and you can always click these 9 dots. Immediately you click this 9 dots, it will bring you back here. Sure, you understand? So you can just do simple drag and drop to make this work. Just drag text. This is heading text. Drag it into this section you just created. This is an heading text. You can go ahead and edit it. This is the new text. Write whatever it is you like. You can centralize it. You can make it like this. You can make it like this. And also, let me show you. Okay, so if you want to go back to where the other blocks are, building blocks, just click this 9 dots. Just click it. It will take you back there. All right, this is a button. If you want to put the button, click the 9 dots. Let's go back. This is an image. You can literally immediately after you drag them in, you can click on this pencil button. When you hover over that particular element and you click on this pencil button, it will bring their settings panel on the left. For this particular button now, if I double click on it or I click on its pencil button here, it doesn't matter. It will bring its own setting. It will bring its settings panel. You can just what do you want? Instead of having click here, you can say buy now, and you can choose where it will go, www.facebook.com, anywhere you want it to go, or if you want it to be linked to a page on your website. Let's say you want it to be linked to the services page, just come here and type services, and it will automatically load. It will give you a suggestion of the services page. Immediately after you click that, see, it will populate it with the URL of the services page. Do you understand? Very good. So I hope you've gotten that. And then you can come to style. You can come to style and change the color. You can change the color. You can change the over color. When you over it, I want the background color to be red. When I over it, you can see it is red when I over. All right, you can even make it transparent when you hover. You can drag this here, this transparency, you can drag it here and change text color to maybe red, and change border color, make border solid, and change and make border width, make it like 2. That is on overall. Border, you can make border color, you can make it red, and if check it out, you can see it is now transparent. It is transparent now, and every settings I have applied is there. You can give a border radius of, let's say, 20. When you give a border radius of 20 all through, you can see that it now has this rounded kind of style. Do you understand? Of course you can unlink. Of course you can unlink. Let's say, let me cancel this now. This is all 0. If you unlink this, you can set each of these one by one. You can set this one to be 19. You can set this other right to be, let's say, 30, and you can have this kind of effect. I don't know why you would want to do this, but I mean, it's not bad looking. You can set this to 20 and set this to 20 as well. Oh, this button looks fine. It looks fine actually, come to think of it. But then that's not the point. I'm just showing you the things that are that are available, and each of these settings is available for each of these elements. For this one too, this is the text. You can come over here and change the color, change typography, change the font style, and all that kind of stuff. I'm just showing you things that are possible. Of course, you are always advised to come over here and explore. Let me also show you under these advanced settings, this margin and padding of a thing. Let's say I want to give space between these two. I can just come over here and give this one, first of all, unlink the value so that you can mess with them one by one, and you can just increase the bottom padding so that it will move the rest, the bottom margin, and also padding too. You can also mess with padding too. Sure, you get. I'm just showing you things that are possible. Of course, let me show you some more things. Oh yeah, you can actually change the image here. Double click on this, come over here, change the image. Let's say I want to put this image. Boom, you already have this image here. You want to make it left, make it right, centralize it, add a caption. You can come to style, image width. You can mess with image width and all that stuff, max and whatever, over opacity. Just come over here and check out the things that you can do. And also you can also use a video element. Do you understand? You can just go to YouTube and copy. You can go to YouTube and copy the URL of any video and put it here, and it will start playing. Do you understand? In fact, let me see. Let me go to YouTube. Of course, let me go to YouTube and let me just grab one video. Let me just grab any video. Yeah. Let me grab any video.
In the next 3 years,
maybe the video.
the World Economic Forum estimates 75 million jobs will be replaced by
Okay, let me copy this, and you can just come over here and place that URL here. Do you understand? And that's will play. All right, so that will now start playing. It will now start playing on your website.
The personal transportation industry has been...
Okay, so you get the point. I hope you guys got the point. Come back here and just go ahead, and in fact you can even use a map map API, and you can give your address. Maybe let's say you live in Abuja. Let's say you live in Kubwa in Abuja. Do you understand? Let's say you live in Kubwa in Abuja. It will automatically load Kubwa in Abuja for you. Do you understand? Let's say you want to display, maybe on your contact us page, you want to display the map of your area. You can just put your address here, and then it will load the map here. And when people click on it, they can see the live direction of where your map is. Then when they click on direction, they will get, they will be redirected to Google Map, and it will show them direction to exactly where your business is. This is actually very slick, so you can get as creative as possible and make beautiful stuffs. Do you understand? For example, let me show you something. Of course, I'm going to remove all these elements that I put. In order to do that, this is the section that is holding all of them. Can you see? I can create another section. Let me create another section here. This is a 2-half section. This is a 3-half section. This is a 4-half section. Let me create a 4-half section, and I can go ahead and add, let's say, a button here. Let's say an icon box here. Let's say, hope you guys are getting the point. You are getting the point. Maybe a video here, and maybe you want to add an image here. You get the point. This is another section that is different from this very first section. Do you understand? Of course, I can go ahead and remove this section. Everything inside it will go. I can remove this section, and everything inside it will go. Let me show you how you can create a typical hero section. Click on this first one, and first of all, the first thing we want to do is to maybe add a background. Come to style. All right, we are doing the general style setting of this section, this blue section. Background type, You can have a classic background where you set just a color, or you can set color gradient. You can have this to be blue and have the other one to be another color. You have a color gradient, or you can set a video background. Remember when we had a video background, when I showed you a website that had a video background? Can you see the video is playing in the background right now? Let me give this some space so that you can know. Let me come back to these settings, come back to layout, see settings, layout, and come to height. Select main height, and then you can increase the height. You can increase the height of that section. Do you understand? You know, the video is already playing in the background. This is a background video. Of course, I might want to add a little bit of an overlay because this is too much. I might add a background overlay. See, I came to style and I came to background overlay. Then I'm adding a black overlay. Let me add a black overlay. Color. Let me add a black overlay. I'm adding a black overlay, and the opacity, I'm increasing the opacity. I'm increasing the opacity so that all the content that I put on it will show very well. All right, that one is when you are using a video background. Do you understand? And sometimes you might even be using an image background. Come back to background. I've shown you how to use a video background. All right, now from here I want to add a giant text. Let me add a giant text. All right, I want to centralize it, and I want to say Tesla motors are the best. And now I want to style this. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and change the typography. Of course, I want to change the color to like white. All right, and I want to change the typography. I want to make it bigger. I want to change it from Roboto to something more stylish. Maybe which of these fonts is good? Nope. I love Poppins. I can use Poppin, or I can use Montserrat. You can use Montserrat. These are very good fonts. You can use this. And then you have Tesla Motors are the best. Maybe you might want to add an inner section. The inner section has to, you know, it has to whatever. And let's say before that you might want to add some text, some semi-text. Do you understand? And you want to centralize that. You want to centralize that text and make it slightly kind of whiter. And you can see how I'm doing the design process. Do you understand? I'm just doing the design process more low key. For graphic designers, in fact, you can turn this. In fact, you can even make something even much more beautiful than this. You guys have experts with Adobe, whatever, CorelDRAW or something. You can get so damn creative and create something beautiful. Come over here and drag button, and you know, make this button like this, and you can go ahead and copy this button, duplicate this button, and drag this one over here. Do you understand? And instead of having this one here, just take it like this. Choose left alignment so that they will be close to each other like this, right? And then you can customize each of those buttons. See, I'm already having an arrow section here. Do you understand? Of course, I'm not spending my time to make it very beautiful. If I want to create an arrow section, it will be much more beautiful than this. But I'm just showing you what is possible. Instead of using a video background, you might want to use, come back to style, come back to background, sorry, okay, come back here, come back to style, come back to background. Let's use slideshow. Slideshow means we are adding slides of images. Do you understand? Select all the images, maybe upload more,
maybe upload more images. Right, you might want to upload more images. Yeah, you might want to upload more images. Do you understand? And select them. Immediately after you select them, create a new gallery. All right, and insert gallery, and then you already have an image slider. All right, the duration in which you want them to be changing, let's say this is 5,000 right now. That is 5 seconds. Do you understand? That is 5 seconds. 5,000 here means 5 seconds. It is in milliseconds. So fade transition. I want slide to right transition. Do you understand? Transition this. Background size, make it cover. Background position, make it center. Ken's Bond effect. I always like this because it gives it this. Can you see this zooming effect on the images? It makes it look cooler. Of course, always update your changes. Always update your changes. Please always save your changes. Do you understand? So you can go ahead immediately after you are done with your hero section. You can click you can click this to create another section and continue building. You want to put space between this section and this section. Click on this particular one, this new section, or this old section here. You can click on it and then come to advanced and give it margin bottom. Do you understand? Give it margin bottom, or just type margin bottom of, let's say, 20, and you should have pushed it a little bit, pushed it away. 20 is not enough. Let's give it like 50. Can you see it has already given it space? So you can now start messing with this one. You can now start messing with this one as you see fit. Do you understand? You can now start building this particular one as you see fit. All right, can you see? This is what you have right now. This is a much better page builder. All right, so but I'm not going to go ahead and design. You guys have the basic idea of how this works now. I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to even delete this and show you something madly awesome. Now I'm going to show you how in less than 2 minutes you can have an entirely professionally built website right in front of you easily. Just follow my step-by-step guide. It's very important that you follow me right now. All right, it is very, very important. And remember, if you have any question, just ask your question here, and I'm going to reply you on the WhatsApp group. So go ahead and click add to them. Click this. This. Sorry, let me go back. I want to show you something. This folder icon here. Click on it. After you click on it, you are going to get here. You will see pages. You will see blogs. You will see blocks here. These are blocks here. These are blocks. Just click on pages. Click on pages. Check this out. These are already made page templates that once you click them once, it will import a new look for your page, an entire brand new look. Of course, some of them are pro versions, which means you have to purchase the pro version of Elementor before you have access to them, but we still have a lot of them that are free. Anyone that does not have pro on it like this is free. See, this one is free, this one is free. You can insert it directly. Do you understand? You can see we have a lot of them. Just scroll over and see a lot of professionally built pages that you can just click and have access to. All right, check this out. This is for a real estate firm. Do you understand? Professionally built pages, right? So for this example's sake, we are going to be using this one here. Just choose anyone you like, but I think I like this one. All right, you can just click on it. Immediately after you click on it, it will ask you to connect to Elementor library. Do you understand? This is what you are going to import now. See, right in front of you. But once you click on insert, it should tell you to connect to Elementor library. All right, which is very simple. Just click on get started. Immediately after you click on get started, it will take you to here. Now for you, I'm already registered. For you, it will ask you to register.
just register real quick. Then after you register, just provide your email and everything they want. After you register, it will take you to here, to this page where you're going to connect. Just click on connect. Then after you click on connect, you are going to be redirected to, you're going to be redirected to this place that will tell you that, okay, you are already connected. But what I will do, so you have to come back here and refresh this page. Do you understand? You have to come back. Oh, I don't think I've saved my cancel. Get out of here. Update your changes first to update your changes. So update your changes first, and refresh this page. After you refresh this page, so that it will update the recent connection that you have done, it will update it on this page you are creating too. So click on this folder button back. You have this set of pre-made templates here. Just click on this. Immediately after you click on this, you can just click on insert. After you click on insert, it will be doing its magic. It is downloading all those resources. Remember, you have to be connected to the internet for it to download all these things. After it is done downloading, you can disconnect from the internet and start working on local. Do you understand? But for it to import all these things, it has to download from the internet. Oh my god, damn! See, in just a few clicks of a button, see what you have in front of you. People will be willing to pay you 50k and more for this I'm telling you. Do you understand? You can just go ahead and say and turn this to a website of your own choice. I already show you how to how to mess with this stuff. See, this is a video element, so you can come over here and change the video that is there, or remove it. You can remove it finally. Just click on this and delete video. If you don't like it, delete video. Do you understand? Delete video. And you want to centralize this, go ahead and carry this section here, left click on it, delete it as well, and then you have just this. All right, so you can click on this button and edit it. You already know how to edit the button. I'll show you guys. And you can click on this text and put your own text. You can click on this background and come over here. You have already clicked on this section and change it to your own image. Put whatever image you like. Change it to your own image. Do you understand? Change it to your own image. See this sliding over effect. Okay, you can see that the page is sliding over the image. Do you understand? This is the attachment mode. Attachment mode, make it fixed, then it will slide. If you make it scroll, it will not slide. If you want it to slide, make it fixed, and also make this image center and make it no repeats, and size should be cover. Do you understand? You can go ahead and click on this and change who is it for. You can change the text here, you can change the description, you can click over here, change the image to whatever it is you like. Change the image to what you like, to your own image. You get a point. You can mess with this one too. You can change this Stanley whatever, change the image, change it to the image of you. Let me upload an image of me. Let me upload one of my images. Alright, you can change it to an image of you. You can change it to an image of you. Oh, it is too big now. Yeah, say no more. Come to style. Of course, you can mess with the size and make it exactly like others. I mean, as simple as the language. Change the name. Do you understand? Immediately after you are done, update. I show you the map elements the other time. You can go ahead and change the map elements, and if you want to add some more things, come over here and see some more things you want to add. See, these guys are actually locked right now. They are pro features. You have to pay money to be able to use all these things, but there is a lot you can do with this basic stuff. A counter, you want to put a counter, then let's say you want it to count from 1 to 600 or whatever the hell. Then it will count to whatever it is you ask it to count to. This is pretty soft. Alright, so just go ahead and update your changes. always update your changes. And I'm going to show you something. Let's now view our website looks now. Go over here to preview, and then after you preview, boom, this is how your website looks. Damn. Don't you just feel like clapping for Big Sam? Please clap for me. I beg, clap for me. I've tried for you guys completely for free. I did not collect a dime from you for teaching you this. This is just my own way of giving back to the society. And yes, this will be the end of this course. I really hope you guys, you will change your life with this new skill you have acquired. I want you guys to go forth and flourish. I want you to go forth and change your own life. I want you to go forth and change other people's life too. Teach other people this too. Do you understand? Let us create an impact ripple effect. All right, let's create an impact ripple effect. Me, I have impacted your life. I want you to go forth and impact people's life too. If it is your money you can use to impact people's life. If your daddy is rich and you would like to fund this thing that I'm doing, tell your daddy that I know a guy, Big Sam, is really helping people fund what he's doing. Let them fund what Nova University is doing so that we can reach out to more people. You yourself, what do you have? What can you do? If you have a digital skill that you can use to help people, reach out to me and let us create a program for you on Nova University too. All right, I want us to if the government is not going to is not going to better our lives, at least let's better our own lives by ourselves. Do you understand? And that's the whole point. That's what I'm doing. That's the whole point of Nova University. That's why I created it in the first place. All right, so congratulations guys if you make it to the end, and I can promise you that this thing you just added to yourself, you just increased your value. You just increased your personal value dramatically. And if you would like to be under my personal mentorship and you want me to hold you by the hand and show you the way on how you can actually improve on this and make it very big, of course this is where you will start from, and this is where I am right now. Let me show you some of the things that I'm doing. Start store. Before you can go from doing this to doing something like this. This is not beans actually. Do you understand? This is not, you can see that this is a professional touch. This is a website that they are willing to pay $1,700. That's almost 600,000, 700,000 naira on just one job. On just one job, for God's sake. People that are working in oil company, they can't get that. But even if you now use digital marketing, Facebook marketing to promote, and you get 3 or 4 of this kind of work in a month, is that not enough? Is that not enough to cater for your life? And they now ask you to pay 5,413 naira discounted price that other people are getting for 20,000 naira discounted price, and you are still skeptical. In fact, if you are still skeptical about the class, let me wish you one bad luck right now. I wish that people will finish taking that slot and you will not get the slot. Don't worry, I'm not cursing, but really you get what I'm saying. This is an opportunity right in your face, like right in your face, right now, and you can't recognize it. See, if you want to change your life, it takes recognizing an opportunity and acting on it. That is how changes come. I told you guys the story of Francis. This boy used to collect 10,000 naira for a project, and yesterday I saw something on his status. And he's saying people should not DM him for. In fact, let me see. I think it is still there. Let me go to status. Let me look for Francis. I think let me show you guys. Let me look for Francis. I saw it and I was just laughing that you Francis. I was very, very, very. Let me see. I have to look for it to Francis. Okay, I cannot find it. I don't know. And I would really, really love to show you, but it doesn't matter. The point is that you can change your life by just investing in yourself, and just take good use of this opportunity, please. If you don't have the money, borrow it. Try and make sure you are part of those 10 people. I don't know why this is just, but then you get the point. So, and I think I need to tell you this. There is a certificate actually Immediately after you are done with that advanced course, there is a certificate. You are going to get a certificate, which means you can even use it to get a job. As all these corporate offices, you can use it to get a job for as their website design consultants, or get any position in a company, even if you don't want to work for yourself. Let me show you how the certificate looks like. Let me pull it up. Let me show you how it looks like. This is how the certificate looks like. Let me show you. This is an example of what Nova University certificate looks like. Do you understand? This is Ogundeji Jeremiah Obayemi. This is one of the guys, and it is duly signed by me. And the date in which you finished will be written on it. Right? It is automatically generated. Immediately after you are done with your course, you are going to download your certificate right on Nova University, right there at that point. Do you understand? So it's a very great opportunity that you guys should not miss. Let me tell you something. This kind of opportunity will probably not come again, because this thing that I taught you guys now, you guys know the amount you are going to get it if you want to pay for this kind of skill. But I think it has just been destined by God that you are going to get this skill from me, and I'm really grateful for the kind of impact that I am making. And yeah, so please just go ahead and take advantage of this. It's just 10 slots, and even some of your mates, they've taken part of those slots, so it is no longer 10. I'm telling you, it is no longer 10. So congratulations, guys, and God bless you. Take very good care of yourself, and please don't forget the selfie video that I asked you guys to make. God bless you so much. God bless you so much. I really appreciate you being in this class, and please tell your friends about this class. When I'm having the next version of this class, I'm going to send you a link so that you can send it to people you know and you would want them to benefit from this class. All right, I remain yours truly. My name is Olubayo Samuel. I'm a very, very approachable person. I'm a very playful person. Come to my DM and let's have fun. Let's be friends. Save my number and then send me your name. And just DM me with your name so that I can save your number too, and we can be friends. All right, cheers everyone. Bye. I love you guys.